Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Bafana El Nontiko. Yeah, you are opening it. You know what it is. So guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to prank people. As you see the title, it's a statue prank, you know what I mean? So I'm going to prank people, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will be notified next time I drop. It is what it is. Tanko. Oh, I'm kidding. Oh, it's a prank. I was playing. Yeah? You was playing what? So I was just pranking you. Yeah. Actually, Kupel Butisa. Wow. Yes, I know. Go in. Sasa, maybe someone will not ask you to invitation. I don't know. I'm serious, you don't know. Ask someone who's gonna give you the. Oh, let me know. Bro, I'm fine to it. I beg, guys. That was the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Tanko.